Oh, you're just killing my battery. Okay.
That's 74.
How did I say it's 74? Oh, I was charging at school. Dude, without the right click tool, these shits are annoying.
Oh yeah, doesn't the I know the BRZ comes with like actual tools to take those out.
Yeah, it's like a fork.
Yeah. And then use the same thing for the taillights in the trunk, right?
Yeah. Oh no, those ones just pull out.
Oh,
Those
yeah?
are easy. Yeah, the trunk ones. Those are all those. Oh wow. It's a forest in there.
Oh!
Alright, let's just take it out. Let's see.
Oh, take out.
Motherfucker, I gotta take that one out. There's a fucking forest in here, guys. Yeah, it's Grape City. Hashtag low life.
Is this you?
I don't know. I don't think so. It might
Look at all
have
this.
been.
This is all speed bumps. You can see it's yellow.
Are you planning on going lower or no?
I want to, but I'm scared. I'm scared it's just gonna scrape everywhere.
Nah. You'll be fine.
Yeah, or what's his name? No, Jet said he was fine everywhere except for Taco Bell, which I understand.
Oh yeah, you're RIP at Taco Bell.
Yeah. That should just go
My
straight
shit
down.
fucking. Oh god, it's horrendous. If like.
But then the lip,
I had to
the
back.
lip
I had
fixed
to
it,
back
right?
out of the drive-thru. I couldn't get through it. I went through one time at like the meanest angle. You
that's
just
hilarious.
watched my whole bumper flex and the lip flex
Oh.
and shit. Oh. But nah, you should be fine, especially with the Megans. The Megans are pretty. They're low. It makes the car sit really nice. But you'll be fine.
Or you could just go
And his lip is also
yeah.
like 2 inches lower.
Oh yeah, and it like absorbs that shit.
Yeah, his lip coming out of this driveway when we first did it, it's fucking got scraped to shit.
Damn.
But now since it goes in and out and just scrapes,
Oh,
it just filed itself down. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, dog, do you see how red that shit was in the one video?
It doesn't blow.
Oh, it's just crazy. Oh, look at this forest.
I'm pretty sure that when I put the seats down, there was like a bunch of like dead bugs in there.
Who's that?
Juan done?
I have downs.
I'm unsubbing.
This hell of shit.
I know, 'cause it's the forest we got.
Oh my
Here,
god.
just take this one.
There's that crash shit shield fucker thing. Oh, no, good thanks. Fuck you, washer. Came off too. Give it.
There you go. I'll just keep on grabbing. Fuck you.
Oh my god. We need to put a drop count on this. Why? It's upside down now. Oh. Why? No. Yeah, what they said. It'd be easy to install, they said.
That's 4.
Fuck! Dude, you're jinxing me right now. You're jinxing
You,
this
you want me to hold the bolt? That'd be any easier.
counter's gonna be pretty high.
No, I don't even know where that came from. I didn't even have a bolt in my hand.
Dude, low-key, I hate Teslas. That's the only accident I've ever gotten in. Was
Really?
the guy with the Tesla hit me. Yeah, I'm like, you fucking...
Did he have the autopilot on?
No.
He should have added on.
Actually, I don't know. He was backing up, right? I wasn't there, but he said he was backing up and he didn't know what happened, but, like, he went on for... You know when you're in a parking lot and you're, like, in the space that's across from them?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
on the opposite side?
Mhm.
So, he just, like, hit the throttle too much and just rammed into my car. I was like, good job, dude. Is that a spider? That's a spider. Wow, there's so much room in here.
That wasn't the bolt. That was the fucking. That was the bolt. Not
Here,
the
I'll
nut.
pull down on it again. That seemed to be more effective last time. See, look at that. Look at that. That's teamwork.
Teamwork. What's the
Teamwork.
Dreamwork.
Fuck the dick.
See, there you go. Oh,
Okay.
you almost hit me in the face. Is that it?
You signed a waiver that if you get hurt here, it's not my fault.
You can tighten that one right there.
I feel like these two just are. Oh, let's look at it right now.
In my arms, but I want you. In my arms,
How do you feel?
Awesome. Might be at the rods, I think I should.
Ooh,